How to change page size in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document, click at the end of the page, go to page layout and choose the option of break. Go to the option of break page, then after repeat the steps once again. Minimize the level of your screen so that you can see clearly. Now in order to change the size of the page, firstly you need to break the pages, which we have already done. So go to size and choose the number of page size which you want. And as you can see, now the page size has been converted. Go to the next page, again go to size, and you can also go to more page sizes and choose the width and length from there. Once you are done, simply click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.